Assalamu alaikum. My name is Raisali and welcome to my channel again. Today we will discuss what is operators, or PERT operator in JS. As always, you know that operators it's just like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulate. Power operator. Probably this is all of them in one by one in my console. Let's jump into my console. Yeah, as I always do. Let I create a plus 2 plus t rectify if notation. If I write 2 minus 4, it's a minus 2, it's a subtraction. If I write 2 multiplied by 2, it's a 4. If I write 3 divided by 3, sorry, 3 divided by 3, it's a 1. It's the multiplication, division. These are all the operators. Now we will come on modulus operator. Number 5, modulus 2. It's a 1. Modulus mean which behind बाकी क्या रह गया. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 को 2 से डिवाइड करवाएंगे. ठीक है, 5 को सॉरी 5 divided by 2. 2 into 2, 4, and the back is 1. So this one is your modulus. That do modulus operator. Okay. Next we have our power. If we want to write power 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, then what we do? Then we do 2 double multiplication into 3. It's a 8, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Okay. It's a power operator. We can do also with a variable. Let's practice with a variable. If I write let x is equal to 3, let y is equal to 4, I can do all the operators with this. Okay, like if I write x plus y is 7, I write x minus y. If I write x multiplied by y, if I write x modulus y, we can do all the things with a variable. These are the variables come from the ChatGPT, which it gives us about this. These are the examples of all the variables. In the next video, we will discuss that what is assignment operators.